In this video, you will learn some of the most popular ways to get help with Make, including free support options and one-on-one support options with a Make partner. What is Make? Make, formerly known as Integromat, is a visual platform for anyone to design, build, and automate anything, from tasks and workflows to apps and systems, without coding. Small businesses, startups, scale-ups, teams, and enterprises around the world use Make to create powerful solutions that scale their business faster than ever. For free assistance, you can post your request on the Make Facebook community. Some Facebook group requests get multiple responses, however, some requests do not get answers, and in some cases get ignored completely. Find the link to the Make Facebook community in the video description. You can always get free support from Make's product support team. However, the scope of free support can be limited if you are unsure of how to build your automated scenarios, or if you need extensive assistance about the best approach to your automation. You can submit a ticket to the Make support team from your Make account. You can access experts and training materials on the Make Discourse Community. This community is designed to help you navigate Make and automate your business. Find the link to the Discourse Community in the video description. If you are looking for one-on-one support with a Make partner, then you might want to consider premium support from Weblytica.com. For an hourly fee, you can book time with a Make expert to build your automated scenarios during a live Zoom support session. Additional time can be purchased on an hourly basis. Our team of Make experts can teach you the Make platform while helping you build your automated workflows. Visit Weblytica.com to book a support session.